So now let's see the solution. In this question we are using a printf statement in a very different way. Okay, so we are using printf statement inside the if condition. Okay, so you might think this is an error, but this is not. Okay, so first of all I will tell you what is the return type of printf function. Integer. The int value is the return type of printf function. On successful execution of a printf function, the printf function will return an integer value. Now which integer value? It returns which integer value? It returns the number of characters it printed on the screen. Okay, like we can see by it example. Like if we have a printf statement like this, printf, and we are printing hello on the screen. Okay, on successful execution, on the successful execution, what happens? Hello is printed on the output screen, and the value is returned is 5, because we are printing 5 characters, 1 2 3 4 5. So value returned by this printf function is 5, and which is of integer type. Okay, if we can see another example, if let's see we are printing printf and hello world. Okay, which means that now the number of these characters, which means that 5, one space character, which means 6 7 8 9 10 11, which means that now the printf function return the value 11, which is of integer type, because it prints 11 characters on the output screen. Okay, so let's come to our problem. So here I specify a printf statement inside the if condition, which means that this statement is executed and the value 0 is printed on the screen. As 0 is printed on the screen, as we know that the integer value is returned by this printf function, which means that the number of characters is printed on the screen. Okay, so how many characters is printed on the screen? Only one character. Okay, so the one value is returned by this printf function, which means that this printf function, this if statement is computed as like this, if 1, which is obviously true, so that the control come to this line, and this statement is executed, which is just we are storing the value 3 into the variable I. Okay, so the value of I becomes 3, and after that the controls come to outside the if condition, and as we can see the printf statement is there, and we are just printing the value of I, which means that the value 3 is printed on the screen. Okay, so this is the output of this question. Thanks for watching.